Hello my friends, welcome back to the Goofy Bastard channel. Hi, I'm Goofy Bastard. So we're gonna run that intro and get into it.
Goofy Bastard on a Harley, highways calling loud and clear, windy canyons wild and gnarly, freedom whispers in his ear.
Alright guys, so welcome to 2025. This is my first ride of 2025, and not only that, this is actually my first commute to work in 2025. Kind of messed up that both of those coincided with each other. So it is currently March 10th, and it's right around 60 degrees or so, and this week looks to be a very nice week. Granted, lows are going to be high 30s, low 40s, but that's fine. I'll be able to deal with that in the morning. It's all good. I got my gear. So yeah, this winter has been kind of weird, kind of worse than it has been in the past few years. So that's why I haven't been riding. Every time I think I'm going to get a chance to ride to where it's supposed to be nice on the weekend, something happens, whether it be weather and they put more fucking salt and brine and everything else down on the road, or something in my personal life happens that yeah, it just doesn't happen. So yeah, this is the first time in 2025 I'm riding. So yeah, my streak is over. My what is it, a fucking 11-month streak or some shit like that is over. So I guess we're gonna start again in March here. Last time I rode was New Year's Eve when I rode with Walt, and I'll put that video up here somewhere. So yeah, it's been over 2 months. I've been going stir crazy, not being able to get on the bike, but hopefully this is the sign of spring coming. I mean, they're saying by the end of the week they're talking about maybe like closer to 70, and they say these are normal highs. That is the normal high for sometime in May. So hopefully the weather will stay like this or close to this. I mean, even if the high end got up to 55 during the day, I could still ride. And there have been a couple days where it has been warmer, but before the time change, it was still dark when I would leave to go to work. So coming through this area of Valley Forge and up ahead Valley Forge Park area, it's not well lit, to say the least. So riding through here at night in the dark, which I'm going to have to do in the morning on the way home because now it's not going to get light till later. Yeah, the deer come out, and I don't want to play with deer, especially on a motorcycle. At this point, I kind of like living right now, so you know, let's keep us alive here. Shit, man, there's gonna be a lot of construction going on. There's a lot of construction going on during the day in this road, as I don't know if you can see all the cones and the orange signs and everything else. So I don't know what it's gonna be like on the way home. Yeah, but yeah, winter, we've gotten more snow this year than we have in the past probably 3 years combined, I would say. More snow events, more ice events too. I mean, we've had a couple of them as well. So yeah, like I said, hopefully still early March, but hopefully the winter is behind us and we can move on to riding season. Ugh, forgot about that bump or that pothole. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to it, like really looking forward to the new riding season. It's been, like I said, it's been a long winter, and I need to get on this bike more. I need to get on the VMAX more too. So I've only been out on the VMAX one time, and that was the video that I recorded, and I'll put that up here too. Doing all kind of videos up here. Might as well put them all up here. So, well, there you go. That's what's going on. March 10th, 59 degrees or whatever hell it is right now, and I'm riding my motorcycle to work. This is actually the earliest in the year that I've ridden. I've never ridden my bike to work in March, so it looks like I'm actually going to be getting multiple days to ride in March, which is a fucking good thing for me. Look at the geese. Look at the geese. Even they defected from Canada. Alright, my friends. This is where I will bid you adieu. And until next time, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.